Hello. Today, I'm doing an unboxing video. So first off, the first one I'm going to open is, it's backwards in the camera. But this is the Series 11 Minecraft figures, the Redstone series. And they are Build the Mini, so I get to build it. I'm going to do this one last because, you know, it's a great outro. Now, first off, before we get into the video, I'm going to show you this. And this is Series 10, the wood series. It's really annoying how this is backwards, but whatever. And these are just normal minis. This one's built, so you can tell the difference. And before we get started, I just like to let you guys know, remember to subscribe and leave a like on the video. Drop a comment down below where I can see them, and I will reply to every comment on this video. And do you think we could hit like 10 likes? That would be awesome. And if you really like the video, make sure to hit that little bell, and that means you will get notifications so you can see all my videos, like my Flood Escape 2 series that I'm continuing, and more of my other random videos that I'm going to be making. And let's get right into it. First off, I'm going to have to remove the the tape. Remove the tape. And while this is going, make sure to hit that little bell once again. Get notifications. Put it on always. And then you'll get notified every time I make a new video. And it's not even like that beepy thingy. Okay, got it. So this is a new one. I haven't gotten any from this before. There is 16 possible ones that I can get, the Redstone series. But I'm not going to open this one yet. Now I'm going to take the tape off the other one. Open this one first. I couldn't find the chest series at the store, but I have a bunch from that. I'll be showing you that at the end of the video. I have a bunch from the chest series. And some other ones too. And hey everybody, just letting you know, hit that little bell. Don't know why I say that so much. Whatever. It's just fun to say. Now, let's open it. I have no idea what's in it. There's no window or nothing. It's just a black bag inside of a box. And another new series. This is sort of like the chest series. This one's pretty big. Bigger than the Redstone one. Look at all these possible ones. There is still 16, but the paper's a lot bigger. Okay, let's open it. This will be our new mascot. This is Piggy. This is Rupert. Rupert the little piggy. Little baby piggy with the tail. And an underbelly, which actually looks oddly not like a pig. It has like this cut down the middle of it. Looks like bacon though. Oh, and his cute little face. Oh, this is going to be our mascot. If I knew how to make an intro, he would just be like walking down, just ja na 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 na. It would be really awesome. He would just say the big village. Okay. Now, let's open the Redstone pack. Instructions on how to build it. Is there instructions for all of them? Or, oh, does it really tell you what's in it? Is this one going to be it? So let's just see what it is. I think it's just telling us to build the most complicated one. They don't look that complicated except for the snow golem. Please don't be the snow golem. It is the snow golem. It looks pretty weird. This isn't a snow golem because we have to build it. There's a Vindicator and an Evoker in the wood pack. Okay. I'm gonna put the one that I have next to me. Snow Golem. Okay, I'm gonna take apart the next part of it. So far, this is the longest part of the video. Is me taking apart this freaking... The redstone pack is pretty annoying to put together. But I think they did it like this so you wouldn't be able to feel and see which one it is. Even though it gives you instructions on how to build it. It kind of ruins the excitement though, you know? Just opening it and just seeing the paper on how to build the one you got before you even see which one you got. You're like, oh, it's this one, or blah, blah, blah. Kind of ruins the excitement. They need to fix that, because, you know, it's no fun to open these things now, because, you know, it just tells you exactly what you got. Like, there's no point in doing an unboxing video on these, because it tells you what you got before you even open it. Okay. So how do you build it? I'll let you guys read the instructions. Read them backwards. Mwahahaha. Okay. Those are the instructions. I'll read them on my screen, on mine now. Oh, I see how to do this. So you basically put this. I wish I could like hold it closer to the camera, but then it's harder to do it. So I'll just show you guys when I'm done. This isn't part of it. So I basically like slide the snowball in here. This is a lot easier than it looks. I thought you would be able to like customize these. That would be so awesome. It said build a mini, so I thought you got to build your own. But this is the little snow golem. He's a lot cuter in person than he looks on the instructions. Oh, his arm fell off. I'm gonna put it in like sturdier this time. Am I not putting it on right? Does it go like a different direction? No, it can go any way, it says. I have the little dingy. Sorry for not commentating much during this part. It's really frustrating. But is it like you have to put them on certain sides? Or can you put them on any way? Yeah, I don't think this part goes together that well. Honestly, this one was kind of a disappointment. No matter how hard I try, they don't go on right. It honestly just won't go in. Okay, now I know which way it goes on. Okay, I think it went in. Okay, now here is the finished snow golem. Yay! Now I'm going to take out the other figures I have after I find the pig. Where did I put that? Where did I put the piggy? Where did I put Rupert? Oh, here he is. Here's Rupert. Here is Rupert and Bob, the two newest additions to the crew. Okay, I'll go get the other ones. Okay, here they are. I put them all back in their boxes because that just makes it easier to find them when I want them. I don't have, not all the characters I have are in boxes, and not all the boxes have characters in them, but I do have a bunch of Halloween edition ones. Yeah, that's right. I have a lot of minis. Okay. So here's Rupert and Bob. Bobby the Snowman. Okay. And I'll show you all the ones I already have. Okay. I'll start out with the diamond pack, with the diamond edition. Here is the tree guy. I don't know what to call him, but I want to call him Flowery Woods really badly because it's like a boss from Kirby. It's a big tree. So that's that box done with. Okay. Well, I can't believe this video is already like 12 minutes. Okay. This one doesn't have anything in it, so there's no point in opening it. Now let me go into the next diamond pack that I have. Ooh, this guy. I don't remember when I got him, but I remember that I own him. Okay. I don't know what to call this guy, honestly. Leave names for the mushroom guy in the comments down below. Woohoo. Give me a name. Now the other diamond pack I have. Diamond series. What series was this anyway? 8. Biome Settlers. Not a clue why it's diamond. Oh, I got this Nether Tamer guy. I don't know what to call him either. For now, his name, Farmer Joe, because he looks like a farmer. Okay, now moving on, I'm going to go to the chest series next because I have the least of those. Here's the Enderman. I don't know what his name is, but then again, Endermen probably don't have names in the game anyway. So, just call him Enderman. I don't know. And I also have this ocelot. It's so cute. And I want to name it Bob. I don't know. So I guess now we have two guys named Bob. You know, his name shouldn't be Bob. I don't know, honestly. Oh, how about Emerald? That's a perfect name for a green-eyed cat. Emerald, the kitty cat. Okay, just called it a kitty cat because it sounded funny. Okay, now moving on to the Halloween ones. I'm pretty sure this is an Alex, but correct me if I'm wrong. I'm pretty sure it's Alex with like lipstick and long hair. The Enderman thingy. Call it Alex because that's what it is. I think. Call it Steve if I'm wrong. Okay. Ooh, the mummified sheep. Call this one Jeb. This is Jeb. Call it Jeb. And then the next one that we have in here, I remember you. I remember you. Call this guy Scarecrow. I'll just give you like an overview because he's super ugly and weird. This looks like the Joker, honestly. Like a witch, evil, like Halloween Joker. Like with like Grinch arms and legs. The creepy big red smile. And like Mad Hatter's top hat or something. I don't know. Yeah. This is probably Scarecrow from, like, Batman. Even though this is a Minecraft figure, this is a real Minecraft skin, I think. But I'm gonna call him Scarecrow. I don't know why I just threw him over there. Okay. 2 more that I want to show you guys, and they both have something in them. Ooh, this one's definitely Steve. Steve with the creeper costume. This guy's name is Steve, because this is Steve. Bruh. This is the Gasto Lantern, I think. Is that his name? I'm gonna look on the box. Yeah, it's the Gasto Lantern. It just sounded right. Yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna line them all up next to each other. This is our mascot, so he should go in the front. And my dudes, it's time to see them lined up. Okay, I'm gonna move all this goop out of the way. Let's come closer. Oh, you still can't see it good. I'm doing my best. If I could edit it, I would edit it like right here until I can get the perfect view. There we go! And Bob, the snowman's back here, in case you can see. The Gasto Lantern, these 2 are pumpkins, so I put them in the back. It just looks better. And Steve, Alex, Jeb, Scarecrow, Flowery Woods, no name given, please help me. This guy, Farmer Joe. This is Emerald, Enderman. He shouldn't have a name because he's an Enderman. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't think Enderman ever had names. And here's our mascot, Rupert. Now, Rupert, tell them what to do.
Hey everybody, I'm Rupert, and just wanted to let you know, subscribe and like the video, hit that notification button, and I need to go to the bathroom, so bye.